guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're showing you guys what happens when we let Barney in. By the way, I've put it in 2x speed so you guys get to see the police and all that like quicker. So yeah, and by the way, what I mean by the police is the thing that comes to get Barney. So yeah, stay tuned for the video. Anyways, guys, what do you think of the new reworks for some of the characters, like their skins and all that? I think it's good, but I absolutely hate the secretary one. And my dream one is head nurse, but she's Robux, so that's really annoying. I'm just probably going to get some Robux when I get some money, so yeah. What is that? Oh, get away! Kind of a jump scary, I don't like that. Guys, I'm just going back to do Rafu. I'm sorry for not posting that often. I've just been busy with school and all that. And we've been moving classes and all that, so that's why I've just not been that active on YouTube. Guys, I'm probably going to start posting more Animal Hospital Anomaly videos, and I'm going to try and carry on posting about Adopt Me as well, but I've just been a bit off track with that because I've been playing new games and experiencing new stuff. What? A death ritual? Oh, those are so annoying. I always die because of my low sanity when the candles are here. But luckily I've not got low sanity, and someone's probably going to taste them anyway, so yeah, they probably did. The ambulance. We've got to do all those critical patient things. That's going to annoy me very much. That was intense. By the way, I'm playing with my bestie, which you've seen in some of my videos, and I'm playing with this random person, but they're really nice and they're doing really well. By the way, my bestie's a nurse and the other one's a security. Okay, the person's getting chased. That's not very well. Hopefully they escape. Say hi to Barney. Okay, that sounds like a skinwalker. That's not very good. Oh yeah, I forgot to buy from the shop as well, so yeah, that's okay. Let's buy them. Oh, the ghosts are so annoying. Like, they're the reason I usually die, because of my sanity. As well as the fire. Well, not the fire, the death ritual. It's so annoying. Yes, the shop's back. That means I can get some essentials. Now just watch, okay? Harsh threats there, Barney. Ugh. The switch up is crazy. Let's open. Yes, another coffee machine. That means we get more sanity easy. That's good. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and bye everyone. Bye.